So I checked in with one of the students this week who was having some struggles with some concepts that we'd been sharing in some of the material, and it's always a fine line between how much you spoon feed somebody and how much you let them get on with things themselves, because you can actually do something for somebody and then they don't know how to do it themselves, or sometimes people just need to have a bit of coaching so that they are able to do the activity themselves, and once they do it themselves they have the confidence to do it again and again, and that's where growth comes in. Rather than having things done for you all the time, you can actually learn things to do it yourself and then grow in that learning and knowledge, and then carry on in your business and in your studies as well. And the great thing was with this particular student is they wanted to crack on with this activity themselves. They wanted to work it out themselves. They wanted to, get it sorted. And so I was able to give them some pointers and advice, and within a couple of days they got back to me and they said, we've cracked this, we've got it sorted, and they were so pleased and excited at that achievement, and we celebrated that with them. And I wonder yourself where you are in your learning journey as well, if there's things that you are struggling with. At what point do you reach out for help? At what point do you say, actually, this is too hard for me? We're part of a community here where we can help one another. If there are some issues you're coming on in your business journey, do reach out to us. If you haven't checked out the free videos that are available for you from our website, head on over to digilifeenable.com, sign up for the free video series there that can give you some guidance in starting up an online business from scratch. And in the week ahead, I'd just like you to think about your own opportunities for learning and development. Remember, there's trying and failing, but there's failing to try. And one of those two is what learning is about. The other one is going to hold you back for the rest of your life. So which one of those two do you fall into? Trying and failing, or failing to try? I hope you fit into the former. Have a great week ahead, guys. Bye now.